What's up, guys? It's your boy Ray Boss back again with a new video. Today we got the Zobie animation box. And I know what you're thinking. Why is the animation box in this little box? Well, I'll tell you. I have no idea. But we're about to find out. So, with that being said, Alright. So, I kind of forgot the themes. I think I know one of them was Winnie the Pooh, Doug. I don't know. I'll put it up right here. But, okay. I hate to say it, but right out the bat, I already see the top. So we'll put that over there. We'll go with, that's the spoiler sheet now. So we'll go with this, and it looks like Doug. It's pretty tight actually though. It's a metal plate of Doug and his amigos. Not gonna lie, it's been a good while since I watched Doug. Wow. Pretty good while. Other than that, I see a pen. To say, sick, sad world. And, you know, I've been getting some comments from people that are upset that I don't ever show you guys the numbers and back of the pins. So, for those few people, guys, there you go. There you go. 12 out of 400. Pretty good. Back in here now. Oops. So you guys are just wasting more time. Alright. Ooh, a signed Winnie the Pooh pop. I'm guessing it's from the guy that does the animation probably for the Winnie the Pooh series. I believe this is the newer one. Still pretty cool. Love Winnie the Pooh. Yeah. Sweet. This is awkward. You can scan this if you want. Unfortunately, you know, I don't have an extra phone. Oops. But that's gonna be all for this one, guys. I'm your boy Ray Boss, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.